He must have bounced too hard.
I'm glad I'm not there. Hope he can come out of the pit.
Oh no, is it too bad? I have this air pump if you need to bounce back.
Our red ball was shown sympathy. That is, his perspective and emotions were understood by the other balls, and they reacted to his distress. But what they lacked here was empathy.
I'm stuck and I want to get out of here. I feel so lost.
I've been here before, and I can imagine how you must be feeling. I'm here to help you, even though I may not completely understand your pain.
This is empathy. In addition to understanding the perspective of the red ball and recognizing the emotions of sadness in him, the green ball also communicated this recognition to him. He recollected his own such experiences and tried to feel what the red ball felt and did not judge him for his situation. He felt with him and not for him. These are the 4 components of empathy: communicating the recognition, not being judgmental, understanding and taking the perspective of others, recognizing the emotions in others. Simply put, empathy is the ability to experience and relate to the thoughts, emotions, or experiences of others, and it can be developed throughout your life. How do you think you can practice empathy?